Hey there, I'm Heather, and this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond. Today, we've got an adorable house in Lynn Haven, and I can't wait to show it to you.
Beachy Beach.
Welcome to this adorable house in Lynn Haven. You've got this nice open kitchen and a beautiful island. And what I love is these granite countertops you're gonna find all throughout the home. It opens right up. You can put your dining here and into the open living space. You've got all of this available for family time, events, friends, all the different things. Some details I love is you've got a tray ceiling in here, and that is also carried into the main bedroom. The main bedroom is split from the other bedrooms here in this 3-bed, 2-bath. It's adorable. Let's keep checking it out. Welcome into the great main bedroom. You've got a nice tray ceiling with a fan, which is perfect here in Florida, and so much space. And great thing is it's got this beautiful ensuite with continuing the granite countertops throughout, a large closet, and you do have your tub and shower combo. So you've got a full 3-piece bath and your dual sinks. Just perfect. So for more information, look in the description below. I have the listing link there for you. Click on it, find out your pricing and more details. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com. Ring that bell so you don't miss out on any future deals like this one.